Immobiliser fit, and it's a Lamborghini Urus protected with a ghost to immobiliser. So a thief gets the key and goes to steal the vehicle. Starts up as soon as they go to drive away by putting it in gear. See the vehicle cuts out, they'll be unable to drive it, and we get a load of faults. For the customer, they can start the car. Before selecting a gear, they can put a code in. For now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a double flash. Now we can select a gear. If the customer wants to change the code on this, how they'll do that is keep their foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, so press the start button with your foot off the brake, pop the code in to prove it's you, 1, 2, 3, 4, wait for a double flash. Now foot all the way to the floor on the accelerator, repeat the code again. When the indicator starts to flash, we can take our foot off the accelerator, it's ready to learn a new code. So we'll just set 1, 2, 3, 4. Every time I'm pushing a button, we're getting a flash. When we're done, we get 3 flashes. And now I'll repeat the code again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we get 2 flashes. And the code's changed. If you got 4 flashes at that stage, it means the 2 codes you entered were different and you need to start again. You can do a minimum of 4 presses to a maximum of 21 in any order you choose. But now the code's set, we'll start the car, try the new code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a double flash. And then we can select a gear. Taking this for a service, you want to turn the system off. Once it's disarmed, the engine's running, pull the driver's window 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now this is a normal vehicle. So when I start it up without a code, it's going to go into gear. We'll just do it in reverse this time so you can see. Not enter the code, vehicle goes into gear, doesn't stall out. If we put it in drive, doesn't stall out because it's in service mode. As long as it doesn't exceed 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes or more, it's going to be a normal vehicle and you'll be able to drive it, road test it. Just hand Lamborghini the keys. Don't need to worry about telling them a code. When you get it back, ignition on, pop your code in, get 2 flashes, and the system's active again. If you're still there, you can obviously start the car, drive it home. It's not a problem. When you get home, just to make sure the system's back on, give it a test. So start the car up, try pop it in gear without your code, and it switches off, confirming it's out of service mode. To get one of these fitted, give us a call, 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.